Yeah, just a little topic today, and on the ride out this morning, I noticed a little windsock had come off the Senna and my drift mic, and both mics are exposed, which obviously I couldn't use them, so I didn't put the camera on. So I've got as far as Leicestershire, and whoop, I'll just stop and put the windsock back on and hope everything's in the right position to record. And there we are, side by side. No attempt to go single file when vehicles are coming fast. No, of course not. Anyway, so I put the windsock back on and did a vlog. Now, when I couldn't, I mean, I normally take the camera out and I normally record just in case I've got anything relevant or amusing to say. But I felt quite lonely. It was weird that I didn't put the camera on. And I know this is weird because obviously I am on my own, but because I'm not talking to you guys, yeah, it was different. And as I say, I normally carry the camera and the camera's normally running, and that's for safety and, you know, the general jibber jabber, jabber jibber jibber jabber jabber jabber, yeah, jibber jabber. Brain's going, isn't it? It's dementia, you know, shut up. So yeah, it just very, very strange that, you know, it's like all my friends are coming out for a ride with me when I'm chatting away. And because I couldn't do that this morning, it was quite, oh, I feel quite alone. Oh, big lorry. Oh, for goodness sake, some of these roads. Because there's some real big potholes here, and because the road's all dappled and with the light coming through, you can't make them out until you hit them. And then you say, aha! Well, if you recognise this from the Dove Run, this is the opposite way, just this little bit anyway, from Crowson Cariel to Beaver. And this is the best way going up because you can actually see the castle. But anyway, I digress. So yes, it's nice to have you all with me. And yeah, oh, little sheep. There's the castle. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. It's one of those, isn't it? I'm looking straight on, by the way. I'm not riding by intuition. I just thought I'd give a good view of the castle. Right. So that was it, really, motorcycle fans. Oh, we've got a buzzard. Oh no, it's a kite. No, couldn't quite tell there. Anyway, motorcycle fans, as I was saying, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.